Looking for a reliable hosting deal without the headache of expired codes? I've got you covered. Stop searching through random coupon sites that claim to have a hosting or promo code for 2026. Most of them are outdated and will waste your time. Instead, just use the link in my description. It applies the verified hosting or discount code automatically in the background, so you get the savings instantly without any typing. Hostinger is an excellent choice whether you are launching a blog, a business website, or an e-commerce store. The platform offers a clean, intuitive dashboard, one-click WordPress installation, and an AI-powered website builder for those who need a professional site fast. You also get free SSL certificates, daily backups, professional email, and core security features included, so there are no surprise costs. Now, here is the insider tip. When you land on the pricing page, the initial rates are competitive. However, when you select a plan using my link, the best Hostinger coupon activates at checkout. Depending on the plan, this usually shaves off an additional 20%, maximizing your savings. I typically recommend starting with the premium plan. It offers the best balance of features and value. Plus, you are protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is zero risk. For the lowest price available today, click the link in the description. That's your access to the working Hostinger coupon code and the biggest hosting discount available right now.